Feeling overwhelmed by your OPPO features? Need quick access to settings? The OPPO Self-Help Assistant helps you. Let's dive into OPPO Self-Service World. Easily view and adjust simulation settings. Quick access and modify settings, resolving issues without the need for external support. Save time by handling problems independently. Simplify settings, effortlessly adjust settings and troubleshoot common issues on your own, eliminating the need for external help. Enjoy faster problem solving with ease. Know your device inside and out by comprehensive device specifications options. Use the thumbs up or thumbs down to tell us what you think of our self-help assistant, and share your experience to help us enhance our services. Empower yourself to explore new features, solve issues, and unlock the full potential of your OPPO device, all from the comfort of your home. To get more updates, hit like, follow and subscribe.